your Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to show you how to play egg basketball today. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a basket and then some plastic eggs. Then I just cut up some sticky notes and I wrote some words on it, but you can write letters or sounds, you can do equations, really whatever you'd like to learn about. And I added an extra bonus by adding some points on each card. Then I take all the eggs out of the bag or basket, put the basket or bag against something. It can be a wall or a couch, and then you're ready to start playing. So I'm going to go ahead and take my egg and I'm going to try to get it in the basket. I'll have to see later how many points I scored after I can read the word. Well, I was lucky. I got 12 points. I hope you have fun playing the basketball egg game.